Who is it?
Me.
Is that Kim?
No, I came mama.
Okay, come in.
The place nice though, Miss Mattis. Nah, I no like look good.
Good evening, miss.
The TV biggie, how a inch? 200?
No, it's actually a 50-inch.
It look big. How them say teacher not get no money? Yes. Up here look nice, don't you look? Me say look clean. At first, me actually I see up close and personal. You look so clean. Only thing you don't need, I look at toning. We can go for bleaching cream.
No. That's okay.
No, take one.
No, that's okay. That's okay. I'm fine. So why I invited you here today? We are having a problem with your daughter.
My daughter?
She's being disrespectful to other students.
No, yeah. My nice, clean, good body daughter. Yes, let me tell you something. Me make sure I tell my fitness that she not to take no garlic. We not take garlic in the ghetto, a bad place we come from. So we not take garlic. Me tell herself no garlic or she clot them back.
But Miss Lisa, this is a school.
No. The ghetto is a school itself. You understand what I say? And we in a ghetto, we not take lick because if we take lick, we will get marked for the rest of our life.
No, but because we are a school, we cannot have students disrespecting other students.
This is not a matter of disrespecting. You get what I said? The other day a girl step to me, you know. And when me diss her, you know, when me done her nice, you know, miss, I celebrate, you know, like good celebrate.
Yo, gentle people, Bunny here, well gone. So, Happy New Year. That's the first thing I need to get out of the way. I hope everyone actually went out, had an amazing New Year's Eve night, went to see the fireworks, all that I would imagine. But anyway, welcome back to the channel. Looking forward to an amazing year here with you guys on BLA Productions. Of course, what you just watched was some sample footage of some of the original content that we want to gear up or put together for you guys here in 2019. Of course, I want to know what you guys think about this. This is just what, 2 minutes of this little first episode, mini skit, mini play of Ghetto Parent. So you can look forward to the next part. Definitely, well, not the next part, but the full episode of this before the month ends. Don't worry, it won't be too long. I have another sample of another little mini play dropping more than likely next week for you guys to let me know what you think. I know I did run a poll regarding seeing more original content, and you know, for the most part, for those who participated in the poll, I got favorable responses in terms of a lot of you saying yes, and then another portion of you saying yeah, you'd have to see a sample of it first. So for all intents and purposes, here's your sample. So let me know what you guys think. Of course, be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, share the channel out, and share the videos out with your friends. Of course, look forward to Bashment Granny 2-part, where am I? Part 4? You can look forward to that probably. I would want to say today, but no promises. Tomorrow may be a better day, or even probably even Friday. Well, I guess you'll see. Just look out for it, but definitely sometime this week, if not by latest weekend. So there's that. So let me know what you think. Again, Happy New Year. I hope everyone's having an amazing day, and just be safe out there, people. Don't do anything too crazy, or don't do anything I wouldn't. Yeah, see you guys in the next one.